what's your take on aging? Do you feel like
आंटी मत कहो ना.
मतलब आंटी ये भी बड़ा शॉकिंग होता है जब बच्चे आके दीदी से आंटी बोलने लग जाते हैं. Oh my god, like it's a thing that it's very very annoying and it's difficult. And मैं उनको बोलती क्या है आंटी नजर आ रही हूँ मैं गधे. Like I actually at times I say that. But ठीक है. But what do you feel about Botox and fillers?
I don't think I will ever get it done, to be very honest. And
Never say never, bro. You never know.
yeah, but as of now, I have never thought about it. I have a texture skin. I have pigmentation on my skin. I have dark circles. You name it, and I have it. So, but I never thought of getting anything I never thought of getting it done, to be very honest. This is something not for me. It doesn't work for me. I don't know why. And a lot of my friends and known have got it done, and they look breathtaking. They look gorgeous. But I don't know. Personally, it's not something for me. And I think I'm okay the way I look. I don't use makeup also till the time it's not required, and I don't even try hard to hide my dark circles or like that. I'm okay with it. It's okay. Agar wo dikh bhi raha hai, if I'm out somewhere, I'm happy with it. Like I don't take stress about it ki no. So I'm okay the way I look, the way I'm aging. I'm enjoying, like it's fine. I'm not so hard on myself in this thing, like
Okay.
yeah. And I think it's very expensive. मुझसे skincare तो afford होता नहीं है. I think it's very expensive.
Yeah, मतलब अभी तो drug store options भी होते हैं, so you can obviously.
Very expensive.
Drug store is still fine.
Still.
But
Botox.
okay. But I think it's not just skincare; it's a lot of other things also. But again, if I talk about Botox and fillers, I'm not at all anti Botox or fillers. I've gotten masseter Botox done, and I did it because I used to clench, and I have a structured face. I like it to be a little bit softer, so I did it. And it really worked for me. I loved it. One time, like it backfired. One time it worked. So now I know that I need a good injector, but that's a different story. But don't you feel that there's a lot of shame around it? The problem is that there is a lot of shame around it. Why do people have a problem if someone is getting it done? This is what I feel.
True.
Because I feel like there are a lot of people who talk about this in a demeaning manner are mostly very insecure about themselves.
Very.
Right?
I think it comes from insecurity only, na?
Yeah.
Because if you're insecure, then only you'll talk about something like this.
Right.
Even if anyone is getting it done also, I'm not saying that person insecure. It's like, if he likes to get it done, go ahead, yeah.
Again,
तेरी
and
line
like,
है.
but I feel like कि अगर कोई कुछ भी कराना चाहते हैं, if they want to, like for example, I love taking care of myself, and I have an immense respect for people who love taking care of themselves. क्योंकि अगर आप अपनी body का ध्यान नहीं रख सकते हो, या फिर I think it's really important, like, and I'm not talking about just putting injections in your face. I feel like if there is something available that can help you feel better or enhance the way you look, or if you feel like getting something done, it should be none of anyone's business, first of all. Second is, I feel working out, wearing nice clothes, smelling nice, eating good food, it's a part of self-love. So I think people should do it. And one thing I feel is that a lot of women who don't get it done are always talking about women who get it done.
Yes.
But the girls who get it done never talk about girls who don't get it done. So it's like an insecurity wala thing, I feel, right?
I think everybody has opinion, but अगर आपको कराना है
नहीं,
तो
opinion है तो यार मतलब किसी को क्यों बोल रहे हो? अगर कोई करा रहा है, why do you have a problem with that?
Because a lot of people who are getting it done now, they don't accept that they are getting it done.
Tell me one thing. You're going to a doctor, you got your blood test done, you went whatever is going on in your life or whatever you're doing to yourself. If you have diarrhea, will you go and announce it to people? No, right? If you're going through any medical issue, if you're doing anything at all that you don't want to talk about, why do people have to go to everybody and tell कि ये मैंने botox कराया, मैंने filler कराया? It's no one's business.
I think in 2026 it's a hot thing.
Like, it is a hot thing, and again, like, why do they have to tell everyone? This is what I feel. नहीं बताना तो नहीं बताना भाई, मेरी body मेरा, मैं कुछ भी करूँ, काटूँ, पीटूँ, injection लगाऊँ, क्योंकि मैं तो rhinoplasty भी कराने वाली हूँ. Just so you know, not soon, but maybe in a few years, because I'm scared of it, but then maybe I'll get it done. I would not.
Who are getting it done, they're looking gorgeous, yaar, and it's
they
fine.
are or they are not. It has backfired also. There are times when people don't know where to stop, so it starts looking very bad also.
Anything over, I guess,
But anyway, I feel like ठीक है यार, तुम एक तो जो कर रहा है उसको शेम मत करो, और तुम्हें नहीं करना तो तुम मत करो यार.
Your choice.
Big deal यार. It's 2026. War हो रही है पूरी दुनिया में, and we are still talking about Botox, fillers, aging, not pretty. Just let people live. It's fine. Whatever makes you happy, do that, boo.
Yeah, I think graying is beautiful.
Yes.
So enjoy this, like enjoy the face.
Color or not color your hair. It's up to
Graying
you.
is beautiful. I just love my burapa right now.
So we are in our 30s, and obviously one of the very asked questions is that what is it about shadi that we are not convinced about?
The only thing I think people ask us is only
Haan,
every time we
shaadi,
go.
yeah. Are
No
you
matter what
married?
we are doing professionally
Yeah.
or personally, I think shadi is like their favorite question to ask us.
Yeah.
अभी तक नहीं हुई बेटा? नहीं हुई आंटी.
नहीं हुई.
आपके बेटे की भी टूट गई.
क्या मतलब एक्चुअली मतलब शादी करके लोग ऐसे क्यों समझते हैं कि उन्होंने कोई ट्रॉफी जीत ली है? Like it's the end goal.
Yeah, it is. हाँ.
People make us feel like it's the end goal, but it's not.
It's not. I don't think so.
हाँ.
I think मैं completely blank हो गई हूँ. I think sometimes बहुत सारे debate होते हैं, like people have lot of opinion on this thing, but I think sometimes like people think कि वो शादी नहीं हो रही है, maybe मिल नहीं रहा होगा कोई, या बहुत नखरे है, या ये है, या attitude problem है, or she's a gold digger or whatever it is. But sometimes you know that this person is right for you. You know that this person is compatible for you. It's in front of you, but you still don't take a call. And it comes out of fear. And I think fear is a really strong emotion. Nobody understands this. And especially a lot of us who are stuck in this millennium phase, more than anything, sometimes that you have a great match in front of your eyes, but you don't take a call because fear. Maybe the fear of freedom, maybe the fear of changing your lifestyle completely. And because I think when I was in my 20s, I come from a very typical Punjabi household. And our mother's favorite and aunties का favorite काम होता था, there was a package, वो हम सारे girls को
बेचते हैं,
बेचती थी, and सारे हमारे boys cousins को बहुत अच्छा घर है, इतने पैसे वाले, इतना अच्छा business है, राज करोगे बेटा, let's just get married. This is the only package. And I remember a lot of my cousins got married and my friends got married, and even I think I was in my 20s, even I tried, I was very close to take a call. And but I'm glad it didn't happen. So
saved.
Yeah. And the other, my cousins who got married, and even your cousins make you feel sometimes, and even your friends make you feel time, यार तुम तो रह गए, मेरा तो jackpot लग गया है, and तू तो बहन रह गई. I was like, I still remember the stuff from my childhood, not from my childhood, from my 20s, and उनकी moms ने उनको बोला, and they were studying so well, and they were doing so well, but they left the moment they got a रिश्ता, and जो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, the perfect रिश्ता, you say, the good business and all, and they got married. And today I'm in my 30s, and I see that my cousins and friends, they are getting separated, and some
of them are also with
kids 10 years old and 5 years old, and they are so confused now. They don't know where to start because they left their education.
They actually leave everything.
They left
the minute
everything.
A girl gets married, a lot of them do.
And it's not that, and people will say कि नहीं यार, there's a very ongoing topic कि अब तो कोई adjust ही नहीं करता है, अब तो इनसे होता ही नहीं है, because अगर for girls it's like ये feminist हैं, and for guys they are princesses. It's not like that. Sometimes they are trying hard, but adjustment has a limit.
Both sides also.
Yeah,
and it has to be from both sides.
Yeah, and I think adjustment also has a limit.
Yeah,
you can only adjust to a level. After that, you can't adjust. And I think it's very important to understand that. And शादी जो fever, शादी के बुखार से, शादी fear is like शादी fever से ज़्यादा, शादी का बुखार चढ़ने से ज़्यादा, I think शादी fear is real, डर ज़्यादा है, because it's not like choosing a wrong person. It's more like कि am I ready for this? I think clarity is really important. I'm in my 30s, and today I feel very glad that that I know what I want. I know what package I want. जो मम्मा sell कर रही थी वो वाला नहीं. Package is still there, but pointers I know. Today I will not get married for the what is looking good on a paper, and the clarity is very important. So yeah.
Yeah,
what do you
agree,
think?
Actually, for me, I think I would only want to get married for love.
Hopeless romantic.
It's not about being hopeless romantic. Also, I feel like when you're in love, that is the only time you can make a marriage work. It's very hard to be with someone that you don't like, and you just have to be with that person and take their bullshit all the time, because we all are full of shit and we all will, at some point be cranky, be very difficult to handle, and you can only handle a person if you like that person, if you love that person. Otherwise, I feel for me, it's next to impossible to cater to someone's bullshit if I don't like that person. So I think for me, love is very important.
Yeah.
So let's see whenever that happens.
Yeah. And I think it's not only get married when you are ready.
Yeah. And
when
also,
you are ready. I think we don't get married कि किसी की हो रही है, मेरी best friend की होगी, मैं रह गई, या मेरी cousin की बहुत. No, don't fall for the shit. Don't fall for what mom and dad is saying. The package is really good. Get married when you are ready. And for me, I will only get married when I'm ready. If I feel that today I'm emotionally and mentally like I'm ready for it, then only I'm gonna go for it. Otherwise, I have no guts to spoil anyone else's life.
Right.
I don't believe in spoiling anyone else's life because I am not ready for something. So I'll start blaming him. I think only get married when you are ready for it, and so you cannot blame anyone.
Yeah, makes sense. But also, you just said that you have seen a lot of people, a lot of girls especially, who actually just leave what they are doing in lives. They don't prioritize their careers at all. And after giving 10 years or 15 years to their marriage, they are getting separated, they are getting divorced. So that is when they don't know, वो बिल्कुल बीच में लटक गए हैं, that they don't know where to start.
They are very
it's
confused.
Very difficult.
Because today I sit with my cousins or my friends who are going through this, and they are so confused. And they are like, it's not their fault also.
Right.
It's not their fault.
Yeah.
Because
you do your best and just end up being alone after so many years. So I also feel that I through this, I really want to talk to parents who don't understand the importance of giving a house to their daughters, and maybe support them in education, helping them build a career for themselves, helping them make money, because that is one thing that वो ही उनका साथ देगी पूरी लाइफ. उनकी शादी के लिए करोड़ों रुपए वेस्ट करने से बेटर है आप उनको एक घर लेके दो. उनके पास अपनी एक जगह होनी चाहिए पूरी लाइफ के लिए कि उनको वहाँ से कोई निकाल नहीं सके. उनके पेरेंट्स का घर भी कभी कभी उन्हें लगता है कि हमारा नहीं है, उन्हें ऐसा फील कराया जाता है. कभी कभी जब आपकी शादी हो जाती है वहाँ पे भी ये चीज़ लड़कियों को फील कराई जाती है कि इट्स नॉट योर हाउस. सो एंड अगेन अगर डिवोर्स हो जाता है आफ्टर गिविंग सो मेनी ईयर्स टू दैट मैरिज, यू एंड अप being nowhere, you don't have a house, you don't have a place to go. So बहुत सारे लोग adjustment करते रहते हैं, गंदी खराब शादियों को चलाते रहते हैं, toxic marriages को, toxic partners को झेलते हैं. So I feel I really feel that parents should definitely think about making their daughters financially independent. Financial independence has to be a priority for all women.
Yeah.
Right. I realized that very much later in my life. Yeah. So I feel that it's really, I'm working towards it.
Yeah. Don't take a loan for her wedding. Just take a loan for her study. It's really important.
Education, yes.
You're sounding so wise, me.
I always have been.
Yeah. Me badi ho gayi, main bhi.
But yeah, I think this is a wrap to today's rant session.
Yes.
Yeah. हमारे अंदर काफी कुछ था जो आज हमने निकाला, and it was.
I hope you guys like it.
Yeah. We hope that you like it. And until next time,
Misfits.
Stay misfits. Don't fit in.
Bye.